Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious pudding step by step. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 1 liter of full-fat milk, 1 cup of sugar, and a thickening agent. Also, prepare your pudding mold, ensuring it is clean and lightly greased. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, setting you up for success. Next, we create the beautiful caramel layer. Take about half a cup of sugar and melt it gently in a pan over low heat. Watch it closely until it turns a rich, golden brown color. Once caramelized, immediately pour this hot mixture into your prepared pudding mold. Quickly swirl the mold to ensure the caramel evenly coats the bottom and a small portion of the sides. Be careful, as caramel is very hot. Now let's prepare the creamy pudding base. In a saucepan, combine 1 liter of milk, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of your chosen thickening agent. Whisk these ingredients together until smooth. Place the pan over a medium flame, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Cook until the mixture thickens to a lovely, creamy consistency. Then, carefully pour this warm pudding over the set caramel in your mold. The final steps are all about patience and presentation. First, let your pudding cool down completely at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Then, transfer it to the refrigerator to chill for at least 2 to 3 hours, or until it is perfectly firm. Once thoroughly chilled, carefully invert the mold onto your chosen serving plate. You can garnish it with fresh fruits or a sprinkle of nuts for an extra touch. Enjoy your homemade delight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.